cutting into Nurse's vlog, those that haven't seen his videos, I work on his car sometimes. But he asked me to do kind of a video of me installing the coilovers. That kind of didn't happen. I already got them installed. Here's how the car looks like.
Wow.
Front end is damn near perfect. Turned out actually pretty damn good. Let's see. Yep, 1 finger gap. That's perfect. Now the rear, I gotta adjust this right here. It's like 3 fingers. Yeah, looks like that's on stilts. So I'll get to adjusting that, and then I'll cut back in after they're adjusted. I went to take it for a little test drive after adjusting the coilovers, and well, here's what we got going on. So the rear still needs a little bit more slight adjusting, but while I was driving I found a hitchhiker. What are you doing? Dude, you can't drink that, man.
What? What do you mean?
So I found, hold on. I found this guy on the side of the road just hitchhiking, trying to get to the shop, because he's like, dude, he's like, I got no ride. I need to get somehow to your shop. So
I thought, like, the thing is, the reason I was drinking that, 'cause you know how it's like a gas, right? Like I need fuel to get. I'm already at the shop. Shit, never mind. Is that my car? Let's look. It's good. So are you still gonna? You still want it?
do I want it?
Yeah. Wait, where's your torch? We gotta blow it up, remember? People in the comments were like, make sure you blow up your car. Are we doing it right now? You want to save that for later, maybe? It's a Mercedes. Obviously, you see right there, Mercedes. See what I'm gonna show you? Mercedes. Does that make sense? Or am I like a retard?
Benz Mercedes works?
There you go! Yes! That's what I was trying to say! Wait, oh, never mind, I'm going crazy. Thought I had lights under here. I'm like, what the frick, bro? What did you do? Anyways, guys, look at my coilovers. I put them myself 100%. I did it. This guy's just recording me. He did nothing. Like, literally absolutely nothing. Bro, look at these. Look at this transmission disc.
I don't know what this guy's got.
Yo, what do you mean? Oh, let me show you guys another cool little part. This is off my car. So we took this off. I took it off actually. It was all me. That right there, that transmission is off my car, and then that engine right there was off the E46, and then that engine right over there was off right here, the Mercedes C60. Actually, no, I'm lying. It was off the.
Somebody stop this planet. I gotta get off.
C330i. What the f? Why am I already gonna say beavers, dude? This is dumb. Why do I have this?
I was wondering the same thing.
Yeah, I bought the car like this. Yo, guy that sold me the car, bro. Why? Oh, it's actually an old lady, so it makes sense. I'm not. Yo, it's 2019. Actually, no. Frick gays, bro.
Her grandson was playing there, man. Come on.
I don't care. My channel. I'm not even gonna roast them. My channel gets more monthly views than you guys do on YouTube. Ooh.
Anyhow, I gotta throw this car back on the lift and then do some final adjustments, and then we'll get back to you after. Yeah, what about that? That's an exception.
Oh, okay. I mean, it doesn't say it on there.
Well, it's not sitting there.
I mean, it says all their vehicles will be towed. I'm sorry to say, but we're gonna have to call in the Uber.
I'm sorry, but that thing got towed here.
We'll call him back.
Sure, buddy. He's telling me to tow my car.
The best part is it's his shop, and I'm telling him
it's my shop, and he's telling me to tow my car. Chocolate. Oh, so it's 1:40. What are you still doing here?
Oh. I just put on my coilovers. Yeah.
Нафиг пошел.
Wait, aren't you opening a YouTube channel too? The question is, what's your channel gonna be called?
Dark Side Motorworks.
Dark Side Motor. There you go. Yo, so everybody watching this video, I hope by the time I'm uploading this probably tomorrow, you should open your channel and at least post like a 10-second video the way I can find you. Here, okay, can you at least post like something tomorrow?
I don't know.
We'll see.
Dude. I'll try to figure something out.
Anyways,
I'll be busy tomorrow.
Subscribe to Dark Side Motors. Guys, right now, whatever you're doing...
Dark Side Motorworks.
If you don't...
Like German, like Motorworks.
Exactly, and if you don't subscribe...
The Dark Side. I gotta make a nice intro on that.
Dark Side? I'm the light side. So if you guys want to take a little adventure down the dark side...
I'm gonna need some good editing for that, because I got a hell of a video for the intro.
An idea. My battery's about to die, but... What I'm trying to say is, subscribe to my boy M. If you guys want to have
off-roading fun, car mods fun, mechanical fun, I don't know.
True.
We'll figure something out. Whatever the content's gonna be, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
If you're trying to have a good laugh, basically, subscribe to my boy. Link in the description to all that. I'm gonna go home and sleep because I have to wake up in like 5 hours. So
5 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta see my wife. She's at home.
Yeah, you gotta see. The rear end's supposed to come down. Anyways, good.
Car's looking sexy, basically.
Yes, it's looking sexy.
You know what's looking sexier right now? My
Not kidding, it's 1 a.m., 2 a.m.
Hey, want to throw a fat party real quick?
Huh?
Want to throw a party in here? Call the bay. Oh, never mind. You can't call the bay.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I have a wife.
It's fine. I'm sorry. If she sees this, she'll be pissed at me.
Yeah, she'll kill you.
Yeah, that's true. Hey, I got your message.
Oh, nice.
The random guy, M, wrote me. That's weird.
So I'm M, listeners.
Subscribe to his channel. See, I gotta go.
Subscribe to him if you haven't already.
Yeah, you probably honestly shouldn't subscribe to me because I make weird videos with like Mercedes and stuff. Like,
this guy's always on some shit.